The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County in northeast Iowa, southern Winneshiek County in northeast Iowa, until 11 p.m. At 10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms roughly along a line extending from Jericho to Hawkeye to Fairbank, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. These storms can produce damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorms will be near Waupoma around 10:10 p.m., Maynard and Arlington around 10:20 p.m., Fayette and Hawkeye around 10:25 p.m., Snellville around 10:30 p.m., West Union around 10:40 p.m., Elgin and Calmer around 10:45 p.m., Claremont around 10:50 p.m. If you are in the path of these storms, prepare immediately for damaging winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following county: Fayette County, Iowa. The severe